Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing The Chronicle of a Death Foretold, which is a novel written by Gabriel Garcia, published in 1991. It is a story about the events leading up to and including the murder of Santiago Nasser, a wealthy Arab Colombian in a small Colombian town. The story is told through the eyes of various narrators who recount the events of the murder as they remember them. The narrative begins with the news of Santiago's death and then moves backwards in time, piecing together the events leading up to the murder. The central event of the story is the murder of Santiago Nasser by the Vicario brothers, that is, Pablo and Pedro, who claim that he took the virginity of their sister Angela Vicario. This sets off a chain of events leading to the murder as the townspeople become aware of the Vicario brothers' intentions and the inevitable outcome. Throughout the story, the theme of fate and predestination is explored as the townspeople appear to know in advance what will happen but are powerless to prevent it. The novel also touches upon themes of honor, masculinity, and justice. In the end, Santiago Nasser is killed in the morning and the Vicario brothers are imprisoned for the murder. The town remains divided in its views of the murder, and the impact of Santiago's death continues to be felt by its residents. In conclusion, Chronicle of a Death Foretold is a haunting and masterful exploration of the power of tradition, the complexities of social relationships, and the forces of fate and destiny. Main themes in Chronicle of a Death Foretold. Number 1. Honor and shame. The idea of honor and shame is central to the story, as the murder of Santiago Nasser is motivated by the dishonor brought upon the Vicario family by his supposed deflowering of Angela Vicario. Number 2. Justice. The novel raises questions about justice and the administration of justice, as the Vicario brothers are convicted of the murder, but the town remains divided in its views of the murder and its aftermath. Number 3. Predestination. The idea of fate and predestination is a central theme in the novel, as the townspeople appear to know in advance what will happen but are powerless to prevent it. Number 4. Masculinity. The novel also explores the themes of masculinity and male pride, as the Vicario brothers' actions are motivated by a desire to restore their family's honor and demonstrate their strength and courage. Number 5. Social relationships. The novel also examines the complexities of social relationships and the ways in which social norms and traditions shape behavior and decision making. Number 6. The fragility of truth. The novel also explores the fragility of truth, as the narrators of the story recount their memories of the events, leading to a patchwork of fragmented and unreliable accounts of the murder. Main characters in Chronicle of a Death Foretold. Number 1. Santiago Nasser, the wealthy Arab Colombian victim of the murder, who is said to have taken the virginity of Angela Vicario. Number 2. Angela Vicario, the sister of the Vicario brothers and the supposed victim of Santiago Nasser's actions. Number 3. The Vicario brothers, Pedro and Pablo, the twin brothers who murder Santiago Nasser to restore their family's honor. Number 4. Beatus and Roman, the wealthy man who marries Angela Vicario and later returns her after discovering she is not a virgin. Number 4. Father Amador, the town priest who tries to intervene to prevent the murder but is unable to do so.